Previously, checkboxes and radio buttons automation both are completed. Checkboxes and radio buttons automation are completed. Now mouse actions. So what is the mouse actions? Actually, action is what, and action is what. Okay. So actions is a class and action is a interface. Okay, action class. So class is what, predefined class which is available in the Selenium WebDriver. So mouse over actions what, move to element. So mouse over means move to element. And right click means you can use what, context click and element. And double check, okay, double click means we can use double click element. And drag and drop. Here 4 types. Okay, mouse over, right click, double click, and drag and drop. Drag and drop we can use what? Drag and drop, source element, and target element. So see here, build means what? Build is a method which can create an action. Build is a method which can create an action. Perform means is a complete an action. So we can create, build means create action, and perform means complete an action. This is the example. So first what I can write, first for mouse over actions. So see here, I can remove this previous code. So see this one, I can remove this previous code. Okay, so I can close it once. Wait, don't save. Please wait. Okay. Wait, I can again run my Eclipse. Please wait. Eclipse is loading. Okay, and launch the browser. And after launching, okay, so it is opening. Please wait. Okay. So see now I can erase the previous code. Okay. So I can erase the previous code. See, this is the previous code. I can erase it. And next what, for mouse over actions, we can run which browser. Okay. So I can run Flipkart browser. So first of all, we will go to flipkart.com. Okay. So I can open this Flipkart. Okay. Flipkart.com. www.flipkart. Okay. So I can open the flipkart.com. See here, in this election fashions are there, electronics are there. In that election, electronics and electronic goods separate are there. Okay, cameras are there, computer peripherals. Same like those, so many options are available. Okay, so first of all, I can open the flipkart.com. So that's why I can copy this URL. Okay, and paste into code. See here, I can erase the previous code. Okay, I can erase the previous code. After erasing, I can paste here. Okay, so next driver dot, okay, manage dot, window dot, driver dot, or driver dot, manage dot, okay, window dot. So we can use what? Maximize option. So after maximizing the window, so we can launch what? First electronics. See this one. I can open this here. Okay, this is what? Electronics. So I can right click and inspect this element. Okay, so electronics is div class will be opened, and we can expand this div class. Wait, it shows error. Please wait. It is showing not correctly, but so again I can inspect the element here. Electronics is visible? No, electronics is not visible. So this is the page div class. Okay, I can expand here. This div class contains what? Audio, same like this. Okay, so wait. Again wait. 6 minutes. I will inspect these minutes. Okay, see here. In that we can what image tag is there, and this is what image tag. Next, mobile options. Mobile options is available. So no, this is one tag, and here if okay, and this div tag is fashion, and this div tag is what is this div tag? This div tag contains fashion. This div tag contains what? Electronics. So I can copy this text. Okay, I can copy this. This is which tag? Span tags actually. Okay, so wait, this is what span tags or not. After expanding, see this one. So many tags are available. So many tags are available. Okay, this is what image tag actually. This is what electronics. Okay, so image tag electronics. This is what span tags. So how do you know this is span tag? See here. Is there any span option? Okay, the text is electronics here. So image tag actually can open this div tag electronics. So where I can open this div tag. This is minutes and this is electronics. Okay, before going to electronics, I can open what? So div tag. So div is not there complete. So if you give div, it is not selected. So see here, div. Okay. So you control Z, sorry, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay. So if you give like this div, div, okay, div open text, okay. So equal to single quotes. In that electronics, if you give like this, it is not selected. Why means it is a span tag. So div is a span tag. That's why you can write what? Span here. Okay. SPAN, span tag. It is selected or not? So electronics is selected. That's why this is a span tag. So you can use what? Span tag. So I can copy this one. Okay, Control C. Span is what? Span tag. See here. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. I will go through XPath here. So within double quotes, I can write like this. Within double quotes only. In నిద్రపోతారా పడుకుంటారా లేదు లేదు అవల టైం ఉంటుంది see here find element returns find element returns one web element so that I can write what web element. Okay, so web element I can store into one variable element. Okay, so this is my span tags. So after we can perform what actions here. So that's the actions. Okay, action equal to new ACDIONS actions. We can write what driver here. We can write what driver. So please write like this. This is what actions interface. Actions. I can import this one. So our cursor, mouse cursor on this is showing import statement. Okay. So after importing, okay, after importing, see this one action dot move move to element. Okay, my element name is what? ELE. So that's why it is logging. And next we can perform build action. So build, next what perform? Complete a create action, complete action. So after both will be displayed. So in that electronics, we will choose what? Computer peripherals. Okay, and in this electronics, see here, in this electronics, I can choose what? Computer peripherals. So right inspect on this one. Will be opened or not? So open this EA tab. Computer peripherals. Sorry, it is loading. Again, I will close. And in that electronics, computer peripherals, I can inspect this element. Okay. So see this one. I can expand this EA tag, anchor tag. Okay. So copy this text. Okay. Control F. This is which tag? Anchor tag. So you can write like this A. Okay. Open bracket text. Okay. Equal to within single quotes computer peripherals. Okay. Is selected or not? So selected. Control C. So it is what driver dot find element by dot x path. Okay, within that x path, I can write computer peripherals. Okay, so same like I can copy into web element. So find element returns what web element here. So that we can write like this CP computer peripherals. So that's a shortcut CP. So same action dot move to element. So element name is CP. So dot we can create an action bull and then perform complete an action. Create an action, then what? Perform an action. Okay, after completing these two, so save the file and run it. Will be execute or not? Computer peripherals. So it shows something error. Please wait. Unresolved compilation problem. Thread main. Thread main. This is what of okay. Again one brace extra. So that's why it shows error. So save the file and run it. It is execute or not? So now it is executed. Please wait. It is loading. After launching the browser, it will be maximized. And in that maximizer, it will go to electronics. So in that electronics, computer peripherals will be displayed or not. Okay. So that is the output. Okay. That is the output. Okay. So next. So next. Okay. We will choose another one. Right click. Okay. So see here, same example, we can apply what? Right click. So for right click, we can use another URL. So see here, I can type another URL. For move to next element, we can use what? Flipkart. So same like that, we will use computer right click. We can use another URL. HTTPS. Okay. Colon double slash SWI SNL dot GitHub dot io slash jQuery. jQuery context. Okay, context menu. Okay, you can write like this. Context menu slash demo. So please type like this. Will be opened or not? Something error. Sorry, is www dot yeah. It is wrong. Swiss www dot. So it is showing privacy error. So advanced I can proceed. Okay, something page is not open. So actually page is not open. All right, otherwise it is go to right click correctly. So here the page is problem. Okay, so same code. So same code you can write for maximize options. So in place of context, okay, in place of move to element, see this one, in place of move to element, we can write what? Context click. Okay. So same like we will go for next one, double click. So double click option, we can perform the correct one. Okay. HTTPS double click double slash www dot w3schools schools dot com slash what tags here. So in the tags what write. Okay. Write dot asp question mark. Okay. File name equal to try HTML 5 underscore EV underscore okay on DVL CLI. Okay, click please. This one is opened or not? Okay, see here. So if you click on the copy test, okay, if you click on the copy test button, the second field also first field data will be filled to second field. Okay, see this one something network issue app. That's why it is not copied. Okay. Wait, I can again reloading. If network issue coming continuously, okay, control X first. So you can copy here, control test, and it will be displayed as a, okay, displayed or not. So double click. So if you click single click, it is not working. See here. That's why we can use what double click. You can click and double click, and field one is a field two automatically filled. See this one. Copy test, double click, field. Okay, field two will be filled or not. So we can do it manually. So how can do it manually? First, field one data. So first what? This is my URL. So the URL is copied. And next I can erase the code. Okay, and I can erase the previous URL. Series Control V. Next this code, all code will be removed. Okay, so all code will be removed or not. So now we can apply field one data and field two data. So for field one data, okay, so for field one data, we will go through what field name. See here, inspect the element. Field one, inspect the element. So what is field one name? ID is what? Field one. So that's it. We will go through the ID. Okay. So see here, I can write the code driver dot find element. Okay, by dot. We will go through what? ID. So ID means I can write like this. Okay. So what is ID? This one ID. So it returns what? Find element returns web element. Okay. So that's why I can write web element F5 field one. So we can store into variable. My variable name is field one. Okay. So same like this option to field two. So field two also same. Okay. So field two also same. Just name will be changed. So field one. This is what field two. So field one, field two. Okay. So identify the elements are completed. And after that, what we can perform the click action. We can perform the click action, copy test. Okay. We can perform the click action. See this one. First one, see here. You can perform the click action. So I can close this URL. Okay. And the copy test button, right click and inspect the element. So after inspecting the element, this is what? This is a button copy test. Okay. So copy test, control F. This is what? Button tag. Okay. /button button. And next what? This is a text. So that's why I can write like this. Test single quotes. Okay. So it is selected. It is selected. Okay. So now write like this. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. So in that XPath, within double quotes, we can write this option. Okay, find element returns what? One web element. So that's why I can write web element here. Web element. Okay. So web element name is button. button button. Okay. So first there are three options. First what? Clear the field, and after clear we can pass the send keys, and after send keys, next what we can perform an action. So first what? Clear the field. So that's why we can apply button dot. Sorry, field one dot clear. Can clear what? Field one. So that's why field one dot. We can apply what? Clear method. Next we can pass the send keys. So field one dot send keys. So my send keys is okay. I can write like this. So next, after passing the send keys, next double click action. So double click action is actions we can apply. Actions, action equal to new actions. Okay. So in that actions we can write what? Driver here. So after applying actions, so action dot next what? For double clicks we can use what? Double click. Okay. In that double click, where we can click the double click button. Okay, we can double click on the button. Okay, that's for button dot. We can perform build. Okay, and what next we can create a build, and next what? And complete build. Complete action. Create action, complete action. So both actions completed. Now save the file and run it. Please execute or not. I think there is synchronization problem. So warning is there. After loading this page, and the window is maximized. After window maximizer, field 1, field 2. Okay. It is running very slow. No such element exception is erased or not. Okay, so that's why what in this case we can write after maximizing the window thread dot sleep we can apply it. Okay, READ thread dot. So thread dot sleep we can write duration 5000 seconds. Okay, so it is accepting throws, add throws. Okay, so add throws declaration. Now check this, save and execute. It's working or not. So previously opening, close. So thread dot sleep is loading and okay. After maximize the window, keys are allowed. No, wait. Program is not completed. Again, no such element exception. See here, we can apply iframe result. Okay, before that, we can add switch to frame here. Okay, we can add switch to frame. So next is switch to frame. So switch to frame means what? Driver dot switch to dot frame. Frame. Here name is what? Name is within double quotes. So within double quotes, we can write what? Iframe result. You can write like this, iframe result. Okay. So why means my name, I can use the name here. Go to this page. Is there any name? Here, this page contains one frame. So where is the frame? Frame name. So first identify the frame name. Okay, iframe result. Okay, this is the name. So I can copy this name. See here, I can paste it into this one. Okay, iframe result. So now switch to frame is completed. See here. Now again I can, it shows error again. So before performing these three questions, now I can use what? Web elements. Okay. So it is loading very slowly. Why means it takes some actions 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, it will be completed. Then only it is fixed to frame. So why means if you cannot write, we cannot switch to frame. So remaining actions are not performed. That's why switch to frame. First we can write what? Switch to frame in the mouse over actions double click. Okay. Okay, position will be coming the output. So this is the correct process. Okay. So it is working perfectly. So same like that, drag and drop also. So what is the drag and drop? Okay. So drag and drop, there is some another link is there. Here get attribute is not working. Instead of this, we can use what? Get DOM property value. Okay, get DOM property value. We will go through one URL. So my URL name is, see this one. What is my URL? www dot, okay, DHTML. Okay, HTML goodies, GODIES, goodies.com slash SCRIPTS scripts. Next what? Drag and drop custom slash demo. Again, drag drop 3 dot HTML. You can write like this. The page is running or not, I don't know, but you can check the URL. Okay, so reload, again reload is not working correctly. So www dot, you can write this one, https colon /. The site is not working. DHTML, okay, DHTML goodies, GOODIES.com slash scripts. Okay, so slash drag drop custom underscore demo drag drop. Okay, 3.html. It is not working. So okay, we can see in next class this one. Okay, so thank you.